I'm at Toyota Evolution 2.0. They did this event 2 years ago, updating us on Toyota's electrified efforts. In the background, you see some RAV4 Primes plugging in, some Prius Primes. You have Toyota fuel cell pickup truck, or should I say Class 8 semi truck. And then you have those pickup trucks right next to those are the iForce Max electrified option for the pickups. We have that really nice looking XSE Camry hybrid with the solar octane TRD Pro behind that. We have first gen Mirai powering a water fountain back there. And then we have another Class 8 fuel cell. And then behind that is the world record setting Mirai with over 800 miles of range on one tank. And don't want to get hit by this very silent but deadly Prius Prime there. But we're here for this vehicle. This is a bZ4x. This is the Limited. This is the top of the line model that we'll see here. Now, this has the optional headlights on it. 1, 2, 3, 4 LED headlights, very attractive. A silver piece of trim in the front, but it does have that more of a hammerhead design to it that Toyota is very, very proud of. Very sleek, very aerodynamic package. Now, this Limited model has the 20-inch wheels, look very sharp. There's also another model like this here that is in a silver color, very, very attractive. As we come around to the back, I do like the contrast of the wheel arches with this white paint color. Don't know if I would get this paint color if I was into the bZ4X. I do like that red XLE a little bit better, but here you are with the Limited bZ4X. How about we look in the back here? Lots of cargo capacity. This is an automatic liftgate, go figure. And then this is going to be for the reveal tonight for the next wave of journalists. I'm not going to move that. We have JBL subwoofer in the back, and these seats do fold down to reveal tons of cargo space, probably somewhere around the neighborhood of the RAV4. Now, the all-wheel drive Limited model is going to give you less than 250 miles of range. This one does have 360 cameras. I can see underneath the mirror there. Underneath the hood, we do have, as you guys can see down below, no frunk. If that disappointed you guys, there's still tons of cargo space, as you guys saw a second ago, in the back here, especially when you fold down the seats. But yeah, down below is going to be that electric motor powering the front wheels. There's going to be an electric motor powering the rear wheels. Those electric motors in the all-wheel drive model will account for about 214 horsepower or so, and will accelerate this vehicle to 60 in around 7.5 seconds. Getting on the inside of this bZ4X Limited, this will be kind of interesting because I just got out of the XLE, so I can give you guys an idea. The first thing is there wasn't a button here on the XLE for the electronic lift back. So the XLE must not have that, even though it has something like a panoramic roof, which this does too. The steering wheel looks identical. I'm just going to power up the electric systems here so you can see if there's any startup screens. And again, this being a pre-production model, there might not be you know, special startup screens. We just have a little Toyota icon, but don't be surprised when this comes to market if there's something special for the bZ4X, like a special intro screen. Now, the XLE model did not have a heated steering wheel. It also did not have ventilated seats. But the touchscreen is the same 12.3-inch touchscreen. This is a new software that we have in the new Lexus NX, for example, as well as the new Tundra. The screen size here is exactly the same as it is on the XLE, so nothing different there. Really, the only differences I'm seeing on this vehicle is a 360 camera. I don't remember seeing this button. This looks like a knee vent option. I'm just gonna turn it on to see if I feel anything coming for my knees. That I've never seen this sort of indicator in a Toyota vehicle before. Here's your brake hold. This is your drive select, your knob. Here's your traction control, snow mode, eco mode, 360 camera, which the XLE does not have. Even though this is mostly touch capacitive, I do like the fact that we have physical buttons here up and down to adjust the fan speed, which the fans in here are very, very strong. We do have a good amount of black glossy plastic in here that is reminiscent of the Mirai that I was in earlier today. And if I lift this up, it does confirm that we do have a wireless charger in here, as well as additional USB port where you could do wired Apple CarPlay, Android Auto if you want. But with this new software, you get that standard wireless. So you don't really have to plug it in unless you want to charge through a wired option. In the XLE model, you do not have this wireless charger here. Now, there's plenty of ways to charge your devices. We do have 2 USBs here as well as a 12 volt. We have some additional storage, and we also have additional materials here. Hopefully you guys can see that we have additional texture and materials here underneath the glove box area that we didn't have on the XLE. So that's another minor difference. Now, it just dawned on me that this button could have something to do with the new heating methods that this battery electric vehicle offers, but I'll just turn that off. I don't feel any differences with that on or off at this point in time. I don't know if it's working as intended. Again, pre-production model. We'll go ahead and get in the back, see if there's any differences in the back compared to the XLE. And here we are getting on the inside. First thing I noticed, we do have USB-Cs like the XLE, but we also have heated rear seats back here, 3 different levels. And just like the XLE, we also have vents. Now, we have a good amount of map pockets in the back seat, 1 for each seat. That's what I want to see. And again, glossy black plastic here with a cup holder on the side. But that's going to do it. Signing out from Toyota Evolution 2.0. I don't want to get hit by that Prius Prime again. That was a close call earlier. Anyway, signing out, here's the bZ4x. Cannot wait to give you guys driving impressions. It's going to be a whole lot of fun driving Toyota's first fully battery electric vehicle for America. I'll see you guys down below in the comments. If you enjoyed today, don't hit me, Prius. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like button. I'll see you guys in the comments. There's a lot to say about this bZ4x, and the more I spend time with it, the more I start falling for it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.